adjusted my lens.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Just made it to TSA checkpoint. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are we going?
Everything.
Yeah. Surprisingly, the security guards don't kick people out here. They just sit there. Alright, finally home in San Diego, and I am dangerously close to sleeping on this couch. One, the airlines didn't bring my car seat in, which wouldn't have been a big deal, but the wife left the car seat here in our apartment. So then I questioned her about it, and that didn't really go too well. And then when I came home, this is a new couch, and I was arguing about it. So I actually think
Get over it.
I think I'm fine. I just think it's dangerously close. But then again, maybe I'm close to wanting to sleep out here myself anyway.
That we can